So yun, no? What's up mga ka-traders? So ito yung trade natin for today, no? We just had one trade today. Today is August 5. February 5 pala. So February 5, no? Ito yung trade natin. Sa nakita ko dito, no? So you guys can see nag-bounce dito si market sa demand zone, which is nagkaroon ng uptrend reversal, market shift structure dito. Sa linaw 15 minutes and market shift structure, no? So bias natin is bullish, no? So we're just gonna look for buying re-entry. So ayan yung technical analysis natin. Then 30 minutes, nag-form siya ng bullish per value gap. Dito sana gusto kong enter, but here lumipad na siya. Pero hindi ko siya hinabol to execute yung trade na gusto ko or mas safe na gusto ko. So hindi ko siya hinabol. So went down to 15 minutes. Walang malinaw na demand zone dito sa area. So 1 to 5. Meron dito, ganyan, itong malaki. That is demand zone. But nirefine ko siya hanggang sa lower time frame, which is itong pinakamalit na candle ng bearish candle, which is bearish candle tapos order block siya ng 3 minutes with fair value gap. So, yan lang yung entry natin. Targeting lang yung previous high. That's a good 243 pips. So, ayan, nakapag-withdraw na ulit ako today sa trading with this trade na. Kaya, thank you Lord talaga. So, next week ulit guys. We're gonna post our journal here every single day na multi-trade tayo.